Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Irene and today I'll show you how I made cotton clown ornament for Christmas tree. This is the first of several videos. I made 4 ornaments like this, inspired by glass ornaments created by Kamoza family based on characters of an artist Uma Naroditska. I'm beginning with making face. I'm making it out of polymer clay and I'm using face mold here, but I'm changing the face, adding a big nose to it and making the smile wider. I was short of Sculpey clay, that's why I added some green clay inside. After the head is ready, I'm baking it according to the instructions. For body base, I'm making a ball out of newspaper and entwining a thread over it so that the ball keeps its shape. For hands and legs, I'm using some pipe cleaners from Dollar Tree. I'm twisting them in half and tying to the ball. Then I'm adjusting them a little to fit to the ornament sketch. Hello, Mike Wazowski! I'm also attaching a small ring for hanging an ornament. Then I'm taking white glue and a cotton roll. I'm taking a piece of cotton and cover the base with it and then applying some glue over the cotton, bending the ends to the other side. After this, I'm adding another piece of cotton from the other side and cover with glue as well. Now the base will resemble chicken body. I let the base dry and then add some toothpicks. They'll be the drumsticks in the clown's hands. I had glued some cotton to the head, then I'm spreading out the cotton and removing the excess, and after that I'm applying some white glue over the base and attaching the head to it. I'm covering the cotton with glue if anywhere left dry cotton, and then I leave it out to dry again. Then I'm covering hands with small pieces of cotton and also applying more cotton to the arms to make them fuller until I like the result. I'm also tying some threads around hands and feet to make them more visible. I'm adding more cotton in places I want more volume. Now for the details. I'm cutting a thin ribbon of cotton and soak it in glue. Then put it over the body to make a jumpsuit fastener. I'm also adding thin bands around the sleeves. I'm helping myself with a toothpick to shape everything. 2 more bands go around the feet. These are cuffs. I'm trying to make them as neat as possible. Then I'm applying some pockets to the jumpsuit. I'm taking a piece of cotton and tuck one side to make it straight. This will be pocket top, and then adhering to the body. To make the feet, I put small cotton balls over the legs and then cover with thin pieces of cotton and lots of glue. I'm making the final shape with my fingers. To make the clown's head, I'm taking a cotton pad and tear off a piece of it to make irregular edge. I'm rolling up a cone out of bigger parts of it, covering in glue and cutting off the tip about ½ inch long. From the other piece of this cotton pad, I'm making a hat lapel by cutting off a thin band and making a ring out of it. I'm also applying some glue and inserting the cone into the lapel, and then I'm leaving it to dry well. I'm cutting a collar from another cotton pad and dressing the clown in it. I'm tearing the edge a little to make the collar more wavy. I'm making a drum out of cardboard, cut into circles and a band and gluing a round box. Then I'm covering this box with cotton and glue and leave to dry. After this, I'm hot gluing the hat over the clown. I'm also making a belt to hold the drum, but I'm not attaching the drum yet. After this, I'm covering the entire ornament in white glue again to make it more rigid. After the ornament is dry, I'm beginning to paint it. I'm using acrylic paints here. First I paint face and hands in skin color. Now I'm drawing the face. Use thinnest brush you have and keep it simple. You may even draw a couple of dots for eyes, make brows and a red mouth. This will look good for this kind of ornament as well. I didn't draw any clown makeup here. If you are new, I want to say a big welcome and would love you to join my community by tapping on the subscribe button as well as the bell to keep up to date with everything I have to show. After this, I'm drawing ivory stripes over the clown's jumpsuit. Before painting, I drew some sketch in very thin lines with a pencil to keep all the stripes neat and clean. After the ivory, I'm taking red and painting in red the jumpsuit front, head and the rest of the stripes. I'm also painting in red pockets and sleeves. I'm painting the collar in yellow. And I'm also making yellow sleeve trims, cuffs and the boots. As for the drum, I painted its membranes in ivory and the sides in yellow and red triangles. But after this, I decided that I wanted more colors and therefore I'm repainting yellow triangles in blue. I'm also painting blue drum belt. And I'm also repainting the clown's head in light blue. I'm also adding some buttons with pearl pen. And some contour paint magic. I'm drawing lines between triangles and also painting drum rims with the same paint. Adding some rivets with pearl paint. I'm also adding small pompons to the boots and the hat. And I'm hot gluing bright beads over the toothpicks. After this, I'm cutting the lower ends of the toothpicks and I'm painting them in bronze. And in the very end, I'm accentuating with contour paint all the trims and edges of the ornament to make it a little bit more bright and also hide imperfections if any. After this, I'm covering the ornament in clear varnish. The last thing to do is to hot glue the drum to place. And here is the finished ornament. I love how it looks like, and as you can see, it's made actually of nothing. Spun cotton toys are really fun to make and they are very light and durable at the same time. I'll be showing more ornaments like this I made inspired by glass ornaments by Irina Naroditskaya. You can have a look to the original ornaments in the description box below. I link her website there. Let me know what you think of the project down below. I want to thank all of you for joining me today. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!